Welcome to the historic Harwelden Mansion, a bed and breakfast and event venue located in Tulsa, Oklahoma, overlooking the Arkansas River. My name is Jez. At our events, we use a variety of creative napkin designs to add a touch of elegance to our table settings. In this video, we'll show you how to fold a lovely Christmas tree design that you can use during the holiday season. You're going to start with the napkin folded in quarters. Just like the buffet pouch video, you'll pull back layers of the open corners. However, this time you won't tuck them away and you'll want to fold all 4 of them. Next, you'll carefully turn the entire napkin upside down. Create 2 folds to put it into a diamond shape and then turn it over again. Now it's time to tuck in those flaps. Fold about halfway with a little bit of a rounded corner at the edges to make them look like a Christmas tree. The biggest flap at the bottom should be dealt with in 2 parts. The front part should be tucked under the base of the tree. The 2 smaller flaps should be crisscrossed behind the tree. Smooth it out and there you have it. A perfect little Christmas tree for your plate at holiday gatherings. Check out our Mansion How-To playlist for more videos about how to experience a taste of the mansion life from the comfort of your own home.